Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to unbox an item. And by the way, this is my first time to do this kind of vlog. I'm gonna do unboxing. So, to start with, it's an item. Actually, na-receive ko ang parcel na to yesterday. And then, hindi ko pa siya na-open. Ito na. Actually, accessory ito sa camera. When I do my vlog, I usually use my GoPro camera. And kaya naisipan ko na bumili ng accessory kasi mahilig talaga ako mag-beach. And then, with this, so, you know, I love to swim and gusto kong ma-enhance yung vlogging ko. So, I have here an item. Medyo awkward lang na nagsasalita ko kasi I'm not used to talk in front of my phone or in front of the camera. More concerned na baka magkakamali ako sa aking pagtatagalog. Sorry. But I'm trying my best naman. Okay, so I got this parcel yesterday from Japan. And ngayon ko lang siya i-open. And also to check if the item is good. So, let's open. Actually guys, pwede naman sa amin dito, pwede na kaming magta-travel within our place lang, within Cebu. Parang hindi pa ganun ka-accessible mag-travel outside Cebu kasi marami pang requirements. And sana soon, pwede na. Anyway, marami namang beaches dito sa Cebu. In case you happen to visit Cebu, then you're gonna enjoy. You love the scenery, the spots. Marami talagang pwedeng puntahan from mountain to beaches. Marami din kaming pools, resorts, and restaurants. Okay, so eto na. Let's try to put this also on my camera, no? Di ko rin alam paano to gagamitin. So, sabay-sabay tayo. Wow! It's actually a dome port. Sasabihin ko na. Accessory ito para sa underwater. Na para mas maganda yung shot mo, maganda yung kuha. Compared to just the camera alone at saka gamit ito, there's a very big difference. Although pwede naman din yung camera underwater. I tried it. Pero parang mas na-enhance yung shot mo if you can use dome port. Okay? So what I bought, it's actually from Shopee. So first item, what I have here is this floater. I'm not sure how you call this specifically, but I think it's a monopod floater. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. I hope not. So mura lang to guys. Binili ko ito like, if I'm not mistaken, around 90 pesos. Basta below 100. Kasama pa siyang screw. Tsaka may handle. Good. Hindi ko lang alam saan ilalagay itong ito. Let me check. It's my first time. Okay, so let's try to put this on the camera. So I have here my GoPro. I actually use Hero 7 for my vlog. Sa lahat ng travel videos ko, ginagamit ko talaga yung Hero 7. Okay, wait. Parang may nakalimutan ako. Okay, I'm back. So actually, naka-attach pa siya. Kasi last time when I used this, I was using this monopod.
Okay. Let's try. Ito na. Fit. Tsaka i-attach mo yung screw. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan ko ilalagay itong color blue. na handle. I don't see any parts here na pwede kong paglagyan. Okay. Then, ginako ko mine. So, I'm gonna try this float mask, okay?
I'm so careful with my things. Kaya naglalast ng matagal yung mga gamit ko. So, nalala mo na, dahil gusto ko na sulit yung binabayaran ko. Aside from sulit, gusto ko may quality din. And kaya ako nag-aalaga ng gamit. Gusto ko siyang magamit pa ng pangmatagalan. So, ito. This is how I'm gonna use it. So, very handy. And very light. Plastic. So, yung question ko na lang is saan ito ilalagay. But anyway, I'll just put this aside because maybe one day I'm gonna figure out saan ko ito magagamit. So, maganda ito pag nag-jump ka, cliff jumping, or yung ginagawa namin sa city horror. Like ganun. Di masyado itong handy. Anyway, moving on. I hope one day makapag-travel ako sa mga places somewhere. So, please make a comment kung saan pwede nyo masuggest na pwede kong puntahan. Like for travel vlog. Kasi usually dito lang ako sa Visayas. Maybe may masuggest naman kayo somewhere in Luzon or Mindanao. I would love to. Dito na naman tayo sa ating main recipe ng vlog. Which is yung accessory ng GoPro. Though accessory din naman yun. Pero ito talaga yung main menu ko or main course para sa vlog for today. It's telsin quartz. Actually fit ito sa Hero 5, 6, and 7. I'm not sure it's 4, but what I'm sure is 5, 6, 7. I'm using GoPro 7 for my vlog. So if you have watched my travel videos, napaka-stable ng shots ko. That's what I like. That's the reason why I use Hero 7 for shot stability. Then maganda siya sa vlogging, especially ako na mahilig mag-hold ng camera while naglalakad, tumatakbo, or nag-swim. So, hindi siya masyadong shaky ang shot. Okay, so don't port. So, ito, for water photography. Telsin. Okay, so first, ito yung manual. Actually, protected pa yung camera mo, hindi pa mababasa. Better pa ang viewing ng kuha mo underwater. Alright. Okay. So, naka-styro pa siya. Parang ano to, parang white ng mga lens kung sa glasses pa, yung sa glass mismo. This is it. Naka-sealed pa. Let's try this on to check, no? Accessory, I don't know what's this. Oh, meron din sa telsin. I hope meron na paglalagyan ito. Dahil dun sa floater ko ng monopod, di ko alam saan yun ilalagay. Dahil walang part doon na pwede kong paglalagyan. Tsaka meron din tool. Okay, let's find out how to use this. Ano pa nandito? Okay, kunin na lang natin ito lahat. Wala nang laman yung box. So cute. And ganito siya kalaki. I mean, alam ko na sasabihin. Kung sa Bisaya pa, kinani ka bugdo. Sorry. Okay. So, dito, paglalagay ang camera. Well, anyway, we'll open this one later. Oh, this is for the handle. I don't know how to use this, but we'll figure out. What's this? I think this is for the moist. So, this is to prevent the moist from the lens. Parang ma-vacuum niya. That's useful, I guess. Ito yung handle. My God. Napakagaan lang. So light. I know now. Paglalagyan na ako. Tsaka may extra pang ano. Actually, marami na akong ganito. Hindi ko alam ilan. These are very useful. So, time na i-detach ko to para matest natin yung dome port. Let's try. Vlogging is my happiness. It is my passion.
It is my passion.
Nakakapawala ng stress yung pag-travel. I like the idea of traveling. Okay, so first, hindi ko alam what's this. Let's try to open it. It's telsin. Oh, para siyang velvet yung texture niya. Ah, I see. Ito pala yung cover niya. Ganyan. Para hindi na-scratch yung lens ng dome port. Okay. Tingnan ko lang ito sa plastic. Oh, very shiny. So, I know now para saan ito. It's to wipe here para hindi siya mamoist. Plastic lang siya. And inside here, meron din siyang handle sa baba. Nakaseal pa siya ng plastic. Let's take it out. Ah, I see. The reason for this, maybe, to pull out. Kasi mahirap isisingit yung kamay mo dahil maliit lang yung space para ma-open mo to. Then, let's try our camera. Perfect. Okay, let's try. On yan natin. So, here, hindi siya nakikita, pero ang lens lang ng camera ang makikita mo sa loob. I like it kasi secure din yung camera na hindi pa papasukan ng tubig yung camera mo inside kasi protected na siya nito. I like this. Okay, so I'm going to install. So again, actually nagsastruggle ako kung paano ito ilalagay. Hindi ko lang kung para saan gagamitin ito ba. Ah, I know now. This is used to open this. Kasi pwedeng mapapalitan itong lens ng dome port. Meron din maliit. Sure. Or baka baliktad ako. Ay, hindi ko alam ang purpose. Bakit nakalabas to? Maybe I'll try the other way. Sorry, failed again.
And now, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang tamang proseso ng pag-install sa dome port after several failed attempts. And now, watch this. Okay, so to start with, using this lens at the back, so kita nyo naman na may hole dito. Diyan natin ilalagay or i-insert itong nasa monopod. So, gamit tong cloth, dapat protected talaga yung lens kasi anytime pwede siyang ma-scratch. So, kahit ganitong position, as long as hindi siya very edgy, at least hindi ma-scratch yung lens mo. Okay, so using these holes, so there are two ways for this monopod. Either that way, mas flexible ito if nakaganong position ng monopod. Yan. See that hole? I-insert lang natin yan. So, tignan nyo. Napakadali lang. Perfect yung pag-insert ko sa circle. So now, need natin siyang i-secure para hindi matanggal. So using the screw, ito, i-insert lang natin. Okay, just one moment. Dito, screw lang yan hanggang sa medyo tight na or secure na yung camera mo. Okay. So, ganyan. So, napaka-flexible. Make sure na hindi masyadong maluwang. Like, yung tamang-tama lang na pwede mo ma-i-adjust. Kasi yun, medyo maluwag pa. So, need pa i-fit. So, ganyan. Hindi siya movable pag tamang pag-screw lang. Ito yung first type sa pag-install ng ating dome port. Pwede siyang ganito kung hawakan. Pwede mo siyang i-adjust na pataas. Depende lang talaga kung ano ang option mo. Or ganyan. So, ito, nakikita nyo ba tong silver na button? Ito yung power button ng ating camera. So, when you use this camera inside dome port, hindi mo na kailangan pang tanggalin yung camera kasi you already have the button. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa ating type 2 sa pag-install ng dome port. But before that, i-dismantle muna natin to. Sa type 2, these are the materials to be used. So, dapat naka-timing itong dalawang holes. Teka, i-insert ko muna para ma-demo ko sa inyo. Yan. Ganyan dapat ang position para i-insert mo tong dalawa. Using this screw, ilalock natin. I think much better na uunahin itong mga handle. Sa last na lang yung lens para mas madali at hindi masyadong bulky while nag-a-assemble ka. Napaka-importante na i-screw natin to ng maayos upang secure ang ating item at hindi rin mahuhulog. Okay, so malapit na. So ito, this is the output. So ganito dapat ang itsura before ka mag-install dito sa lens. Okay, so kita nyo tong hook, movable siya, at nakita nyo rin tong silver. That's the power button. Purpose ng hook na yellow is to press it on. You don't need to put your finger doon sa power button, but that yellow itself will press sa power button para mag-turn on yung camera. Okay, so i-insert ko lang ito doon sa ating lens. Just one moment. At dito natin siya i-insert. Last na tong screw na to para matapos na natin ang ating pag-install. So, tatapusin ko lang. I-secure ko lang to. Okay, malapit na. Yan. So, ito yung hook to turn on your camera. Now, kahit anong position ng prefer mo para sa dome port mo ay pwede. As long as na-move lang siya at hindi maluwag. Okay ba? So, para sa inyo guys, saan yung mas prefer or mas convenient na pag-install? Yung una ba? O itong pangalawa?
So guys, I hope to see you again for another vlog. And also, I'm gonna show you soon the output or my footage using this dome port. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for more updates.